And just like every other thing, art in itself has come a long way. This has grown over the years, and the way we create and consume artworks has also evolved. And with AI tools on the rise, there are lots of questions that comes to mind. And in recent times, AI art has taken over the internet by storm, and more contents are being chucked out faster than the 2D or 3D artists could hit Ctrl+S. And one place where artists find solace in sharing their artworks and getting visibility within the industry is ArtStation. But ArtStation, just like any other art platform, is now getting massively flooded with AI artworks. And the community of skilled artists are not taking this lightly. Artists on ArtStation are protesting and demanding a total takedown of AI artworks from the website. So if you go over to artstation.com right now, you would notice that there's a whole lot of badge that deals with no AI artworks. Lots of people are now demanding a takedown of AI generated images. From the trending to community to those that you follow that inspire you to create wonderful content or probably just inspire you, they are all demanding a total takedown of generated images. And to be honest, I see from their point. Their point makes a lot of sense because spending hours and hours on end learning how to deal with light, how to deal with colors, how to deal with shapes, and competing with an AI tool that just simply takes a prompt and recreates a pretty similar image that you spend hours to create in a couple of seconds doesn't simply look fair. It doesn't put everyone on the same level playing field. And that is the major reason why they are protesting. With multiple platforms out there available for anyone to just come through, put a prompt and generate art, AI-generated NFTs can only bring about asking one question. Where is the middle ground? Because I can't imagine any artist competing against these tools for sure. It is just something that is not possible. You know, you can use these tools to upscale, use them to sort of refine, to get things working, probably improve your artworks, but I doubt anyone at this point can compete in terms of how quick and clear AI tool produces variation of a single artwork. And with prompt-based artists popping up here and there, the question of what actually qualifies a person as an artist begins to come to mind. And I would like to question, if we are at the dawn of a new age, a new genre maybe, are we at this point where we can now call those who work with generative art prompt artists? You know, they're just questions that are available and they just require answers. Are AI artists taking the Marcel Duchamp route, where the art is already available and it only matters to the viewer based on the interpretation of the individual that is looking at it? These are like questions that would sort of rubble the community. At the point we got to see someone win a particular category of an art competition by simply using an AI-generated art. Well, love it or hate it, I just think AI art, as interesting and controversial as it is, doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. This could be a wave, this could be a hype train, or a new dawn. And as artists continue to protest on the industry's biggest portfolio website, which has a few protection in place against AI-generated content, only time will tell if Epic Games alongside the folks at ArtStation would do anything about it. So, this is more like it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Are you in for AI art, against it, or on the fence? For me, I get to think about it from the point that just like you use add-ons and plugins, that is how I see AI tools to be. I see them as tools that you can use to enhance and actually push forward certain things that you cannot get done on time. I don't see them as tools that you can use to just create an entire project altogether. And, you know, it is what it is for so many people, and I would like to know what your thoughts are about it in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.